What's up YouTube? In this video, I'll be reviewing the Tonor TC-777 USB gaming microphone. This mic is perfect for streaming, podcasting, voiceovers, and pretty much anything else you need a voice recording for. It's compatible with Apple Mac, Windows PC and laptops, and even Linux. It comes with a tripod stand and pop filter included, all for less than $30 on Amazon as of making this video. I'll leave a link in the description below for anyone who wants to check out all the specs and reviews. It comes well packaged in a sturdy box, and it only took about 2 days to arrive. Let's open it up and see what's inside. Alright, so it comes with the instruction manual. It comes with a 2-year replacement warranty. Let's see, we've got the pop filter and the actual mic itself. And the mic is all in one piece, so that's good. Let's try to get it out of here and keep it in one piece. Alright, so it's actually a lot sturdier than I was expecting. It has a nice weight to it, so it won't be easy to knock over, which is important to me because I'm pretty clumsy. There's also no assembly required. You just simply unfold the legs, adjust the pop filter, and plug it in. It is plug and play, which means it's ready to go right out of the box. My first impression of this mic is that it sounds much better than I was expecting for this price. It filters out all the little background noises, and it comes in crisp and clear. For $30 on Amazon, I couldn't be happier with this purchase. This is actually going to be the main mic I use on this channel for the foreseeable future, but I plan to upgrade accordingly as the channel grows. If you're in the market for a budget microphone with incredible quality for under $30, then consider the Tonor TC-777. I'm really impressed with it, and I think you'd be as well. I've left a link in the description below for those of you who want to learn more or buy now on Amazon. If you enjoyed this video, I hope you'll go ahead and smash that like button and notification bell. It really helps the channel grow, and I'm trying really hard to get my first 1,000 subscribers. We're getting pretty close now, so every sub helps at this point. Also, as soon as this video hits 1,000 likes, I'll be giving away one of these mics to one lucky subscriber. All you have to do to enter is just like, comment, and subscribe, and that's it. I'll message the winner and have it shipped directly to them from Amazon, so good luck. Until next time, my friends, take it easy.